Welcome. This video is a modified version of the presentation given to 7th graders each spring to give them information about the options available in the FRHSD. The Freehold Regional High School District provides many opportunities for students, and for many of these options, no action is needed until students are in high school. However, two options, our magnet program and the International Baccalaureate program, require an application submitted in the fall of 8th grade. We have 14 magnet programs and two schools with the IB program in the Freehold Regional High School District. So how do you determine what is the best option for you or for your child? First, you have to start with passion, with interest. Do your strengths and interests align with that of the program? Next comes a readiness and eagerness for academically challenging classes. In the most rigorous programs, students take multiple honors classes in which they operate at a higher grade level and even take AP or dual enrollment classes, which are the equivalent of first-year college classes. Next is a commitment to the IB or magnet program over other options. When you choose the magnet or you choose IB, there will be fewer opportunities for elective classes because you are choosing the program's course of study. Finally, is there a willingness to attend the school where the magnet or IB program is located? Because this may be different than your home high school. The magnet and IB programs fall into three categories: STEM, humanities, and unique programs. We'll start with a brief overview of the STEM category. There are 5 STEM-focused programs located in the Freehold Regional High School District. As you investigate these options by diving into our website and attending open houses, note the school where the program is located. Pay attention to the focus of the program. Does it align with the students' interests and strengths? With 4 of these STEM programs, there is an additional requirement. Let's start with computer science, medical science, and science and engineering. There is an Algebra 1 requirement. Algebra 1 must be successfully completed before September of freshman year. There are 2 ways this can be completed. Option 1 is that students complete Algebra 1 in 7th or 8th grade. Option 2 is for students to attend the FRHSD Summer Academy Original Credit Program for Algebra 1 in the summer before their freshman year. They obviously must also pass the class. Please note that the Summer Academy does have tuition fees. For those of you who are interested in pursuing Algebra 1 in Summer Academy, let's talk about some of those requirements. Summer Academy takes place all of July and part of August each year. We announce the dates for the following summer each January. Classes are from 8 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Students must attend every session. They will be removed from the summer program and the magnet program if absences occur. So what about family vacations, camps, work opportunities? If a student cannot complete Algebra 1 in middle school or at the FRHSD Summer Academy, then they should not apply for these programs. You have to decide what options are best for you and your family. Similarly, there is also a math requirement for the International Baccalaureate program. Algebra 2 must be successfully completed by the end of sophomore year. There are 3 ways to do this. So if you are enrolled in 8th grade in pre-algebra, you take a Summer Academy course. Again, tuition fees apply in the summer before 9th or 10th grade. Or you can concurrently enroll in Algebra 1 and Geometry in 9th grade, or you can take an online math class, which we call an IPLO. You will work with the IB counselor if this is the path you choose. So those were our STEM options. Let's switch over to the humanities. There are 5 humanities focused programs located in the Freehold Regional High School District. Again, as you investigate these options, note the school where the program is located. Pay attention to the focus of the program. And remember, for IB, there's the additional math requirement. And finally, let's look at our unique programs, which we have 6 across the district. And again, Remember and take note of where these programs are located, and most importantly, the focus of the program. Does it align with the student's interests and strengths? Our best guidance is to consider these 4 points when deciding what is the best option for you or your child. So, what are the next steps you should take? Definitely get more information. This video is just the tip of the iceberg. Presentations are given at the sending district middle schools to all 7th graders each spring. Family discussions should start then, if not already happening, and should be ongoing throughout the process. Next, you want to check out our Magnet and IB sites. Start by going to frhsd.com and look for the Magnet and IB program option in the top center menu bar. You'll be brought to the main page for each site. One of the most useful parts of the Magnet site is our FAQ page, which is regularly updated based on inquiries that we regularly receive. In the top menu bar, you will see the option for deadlines and criteria. One brings you to our yearly deadlines, which are updated in September of each year. The criteria shows what is required in the application and how much it is weighted in a child's overall application score. This is also updated in September of each year. And again, please remember the Algebra 1 requirement for Comp Sci, Med Sci, Science and Engineering, as well as the Algebra 2 requirement for IB. After checking out the main site, it's time to look at the sites for the programs you were interested in. Each program page is organized the same way with these options presented in the left navigation bar. Look closely at the program of study. This document shows what classes must be taken and when you choose that program. Next are the program opportunities. These show the activities, the extracurriculars, and the special events that are unique to each program. And finally, look at the career paths and college acceptance page. Here you'll see what colleges and universities our Magnet students are frequently accepted into. Finally, attending the open houses is strongly recommended. These take place each fall, starting in late September. You can find the schedule on the Magnet site, which is published in early September of each year. To recap, if you are interested in the Magnet or IB programs, the journey starts now. Presentations are given in May of 7th grade. In September, the application opens and the open houses begin and run throughout October. By early November, the applications are due. Finally, students will be notified of their application status in mid to late February of 8th grade. So I've briefed you on how to find out more information. If you still have questions, please feel free to contact the Office of Curriculum and Instruction at 732-792-7300, extension 8529.